Hello friends, today I'm going to do my makeup using e.l.f. foundation. This foundation shade is lighter than my actual skin tone, so I have not using it regularly, but still, since the winter has come and our skin is looking fairer than before, this will be a good match to my skin for today. So I'm going to do my makeup using this, and let me get started. The first step, as I usually tell, moisturize your skin. So I'm going to moisturize using Pond's gel moisturizer, and because my skin is a combination skin, this works pretty well. I'm done with moisturizing, and let's go to the next thing is my primer application. Give me a minute. Here I'm using Smashbox's pore minimizing primer, and I'll take only very little in my hand. Yes, this much has come out. So I'll be using this near the areas where there are a lot of pores. I also have very prominent pores on my neck and nose region. So I'm just covering my cheek portion so it can give me a very smooth finish for my next step. Now I have covered my whole face with this, and I'll take now my foundation and get started. So this e.l.f. foundation, I had purchased it last winter because my shade was light, and then in summer my skin started getting tanned. So I cannot use this because it will give a very ashy look. But now since the autumn is there and winter is also started, so I'll start with using this foundation till the winter gets over. So always keep two types of foundations near you. One exact your shade, one that suits in summer, the other one that suits in your winter seasons. So I have applied this. So let me take a very good foundation brush and brush this off. So I have this foundation brush from PAC. I will use it to put this. So always apply the foundation to the neck. See, the foundation that I pumped out hasn't given the coverage here. So what I'll do is I'll take another half pump, it lets the pressure, and take a very little amount of foundation like this, and then you can apply it over the neck. Here it is. Now I've covered both my face, my neck, both. Now it's time to add a bit of concealer under the eyes to brighten it up. And also I'll do a I'll do this contouring here. Just watch what I do. So I'm using this concealer from PAC, which is one shade lighter than my skin tone. So I'm going to apply like this, and I will use my beauty sponge to blend it out. So I applied it under my eyes, and my eyes looking now more brighter. Then contouring also involves applying on the highest point of your cheekbone. So let me do that also. Here one line, here one line, here one line, and here one line, and here one line. It's easy to do this contouring. Just follow one line here, one line on top of each of the cheekbones, and one at the jawlines. So if you do this much, you'll know what to do next. Then you have to just blend this out. These are the areas where light falls the most. We have to even do it on the nose. We'll do it after this. So here we have to blend it using the sponge, and then you can also apply this on the nose. See, I have this pimple here. So how do I correct this pimple? Is I use the same concealer, which is thicker, and apply it in and around this. You don't need a color corrector if you have a thick concealer. It conceals on its own. You can't see any reddishness here. You can only see a pimple bump when you come closer. But now if you look at my face, I don't see pimple at all. This is the magic of using a thick concealer and a sponge over your pimples. Now, after doing this, I'll go and powder my face to make sure that my foundation is now intact. I'm using K Beauty's foundation, powder, loose powder. And I'm going to apply it in and around my neck. See, I have set my face using this loose powder so that my makeup stays longer on my face. After doing this, it's time to apply a blush. What I do is, I have a lipstick shade that doesn't go well with my lips, but it gives a very natural flush color on my cheeks. So I've started using that lipstick as my cheek blush. You will see the magic it creates. I'll show you. So this is the lipstick I was talking about. It's a NYX powder puff. This one is something that I love doing like this. Yeah, after you apply this line on a cheekbone, you can use the same sponge and dab it off. So a nice beautiful blush effect it creates for me. Now it's time for a lipstick, and I'll choose a nude lipstick to apply. So this is Love Earth's mini lipstick. It's nude and looks very great on me. So I'm going to apply this on my, yes, this is nice. So I love this shade. It's really cool color from Love Earth. And next thing I'm going to do is doing my eyebrows. So this is a PAC eyebrow gel called as Pomade, and I'm going to use eyebrow brush like this. I'll dip it into this and just start doing the shades. See, it's looking so pretty. after doing this and combing it through the spoolie. Next is applying my eyeshadow. So I have this ELF eyeshadow which has rose pink in it. I want my eyeshadow to be very simple and nice. So I will not go for any complicated looks creation. But I'll just take a nice fluffy eyeshadow brush. This is a rose gold color, and since my outfit is pink, it will go very well with it. So I start applying on the entire eyelid and nicely blend it. You can take some more and see here. It looks so pretty. This rose gold is most commonly used by everyone. If you have confusion regarding what color to choose for your eyeshadow, choose a rose gold because it suits every outfit and every Indian woman. Okay, now once I'm done with this, I put my kajal. So I have this Faces Canada kajal. I just pull my skin down and then apply it. Yes, this is a light kajal I wanted. I don't want any thick kajal for my outing. So I'll do a light color shade of kajal, and this is looking fabulous on me. Now I'm going to apply my mascara and also draw my eyeliner on top of my upper eyelashes. So here I'm using a makeup lasher. So after applying this, I will go and apply my eyeliner. So I'm using the e.l.f. eyeliner, liquid one, to draw a nice line above my upper lashes. This looks quite okay and good. I only wanted a thin liner and I got this using this liquid eyeliner. And now it's time for some glow. We need some shine and glow on it. So let's go for a glow, that is applying a highlighter, a shiny highlighter. Alright. So I have this highlighter from Becca, a very nice highlighter. Here it is. So I'm going to use one of the brushes that I love. So this is the brushes I'm taking. I'm just dipping a little bit and then tap extra and then apply it. So again take a little, tap extra. See the shine it's giving to me. So take this and apply it even on the chin, on the nose as well. And if you want, you can also apply it on the nose. See, this is how it creates magic. If you use the right product in the right environment at a very little building it up, then your look will always be a flawless one. So this completes my look, and please leave a comment below whether you like this look, and please try this look in your house for everyday makeup. You will look gorgeous. This is a universal makeup. It is not very specific to certain kind of culture, certain type of dresses, certain color of dresses. This goes well with every dress that you wear. So don't be confused. Don't feel that I don't know what eyeshadow to choose, what lipsticks to choose. Just choose a rose color eyeshadow and a nice new lipstick, and everything else is set. Save this post and also share it with your friends to do the makeup. This is a very basic makeup that everyone does during their 20s. So try this and let me know.